Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about some surprising health benefits from everyday foods that you might not even think about. And no, I'm not talking about your typical fruits and veggies that we all know and love. We're diving deeper, exploring the often discarded parts of our food, like eggshells and banana peels. You might be thinking, eggshells and banana peels? Really? How can these be beneficial? But trust me, these often tossed items are packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in ways you never imagined. We're going to uncover these hidden gems and learn how to incorporate them into your diet in simple and delicious ways. Remember, while these natural remedies can be beneficial, it's always crucial to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. Your health is unique, and personalized advice is key. Your health is a priority, and taking the right steps can make a big difference. So, let's unlock the power of these kitchen staples together. Stay tuned as we dive into recipes and tips that will transform how you see these everyday items. Let's start with eggshells. We all know eggs are a great source of protein. But did you know that the shells themselves are loaded with calcium? Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes increasingly important. Eggshells offer a natural and readily available source of this essential mineral. But the benefits don't stop there. Eggshells can also contribute to healthier hair, stronger nails, and may even provide relief from certain allergies. Stay tuned as we explore these benefits in detail. Let's talk about calcium and bone health. Our bodies need calcium to build and maintain strong bones. As we get older, our bones naturally lose calcium. This can lead to weakness and increase the risk of fractures. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium carbonate, the most easily absorbed form of calcium. By incorporating eggshells into your diet, you can help replenish your calcium levels and support your bone health. Strong bones mean a more active and independent life. Don't let calcium deficiency slow you down. The benefits of eggshells extend far beyond bone health. They can also work wonders for your hair, nails, and even your digestive system. Eggshells are rich in collagen and other essential nutrients that contribute to hair and nail growth. Adding eggshell powder to your diet may help strengthen brittle nails and promote healthy, lustrous hair. Furthermore, eggshells can act as a natural antacid, potentially providing relief from heartburn and indigestion. They may also help alleviate symptoms of allergies and asthma due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Section 5. Preparing eggshells for consumption. Now you must be wondering, how do I actually consume eggshells? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. First, it's crucial to sterilize the eggshells to eliminate any bacteria. Boil the eggshells for about 10 minutes to ensure they are safe for consumption. Once cooled, dry them thoroughly. Next, grind the eggshells into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or food processor. This powder can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, or even sprinkled over your meals. Remember, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. Section 6. Banana peels, don't toss them out. Now, let's move on to another kitchen treasure, banana peels. Yes, you heard that right. Those peels you usually discard are packed with nutrients and can be incredibly beneficial for your health. Banana peels are rich in potassium, a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and nerve health. They also contain B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and brain function. So the next time you enjoy a banana, don't throw away the peel. Keep reading to discover the amazing ways you can incorporate it into your diet. Section 7. Potassium power. Benefits of banana peels. Let's delve deeper into the benefits of potassium, a mineral abundant in banana peels. While most people discard the peel, it actually contains a higher concentration of potassium than the fruit itself. Potassium acts as an electrolyte, helping to regulate fluid balance in the body and maintain proper heart rhythm. This is crucial for anyone who engages in physical activities, as it helps in replenishing lost electrolytes. A diet rich in potassium can help lower blood pressure by counteracting the negative effects of sodium. This is particularly beneficial for those who are at risk of hypertension or cardiovascular diseases. It also plays a crucial role in muscle contractions, making it essential for athletes and anyone looking to maintain muscle mass as they age. Regular intake of potassium can help in reducing muscle cramps and improving overall muscle function. Furthermore, potassium is vital for nerve function, helping to transmit signals between the brain and the body. This ensures that your nervous system operates efficiently, which is essential for both mental and physical health. Incorporating potassium-rich banana peels into your diet can contribute to optimal nerve health. You can add them to smoothies, bake them into dishes, or even use them as a natural supplement. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are substantial. Section 8. Banana peels for a healthy heart, and more. Beyond their potassium content, banana peels offer a range of health benefits. They contain antioxidants that help protect your cells against damage from free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases. Some studies suggest that banana peels may aid in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. They may also help improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression due to their tryptophan content, a precursor to serotonin. And let's not forget about heart health. The fiber content in banana peels can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Section 9. Delicious and nutritious apple cinnamon banana peel puree. This unique recipe combines the natural sweetness of apples and bananas with the warm, comforting flavor of cinnamon. Now for the exciting part, how to enjoy the goodness of banana peels. Many people don't realize that banana peels are not only edible, but also packed with nutrients. One delicious and easy way to incorporate them into your diet is by making an apple cinnamon banana peel puree. This puree is a fantastic way to reduce food waste while boosting your nutrient intake. Simply blend together a ripe banana, peel and all, a chopped apple, a pinch of cinnamon, and a splash of water or almond milk. The combination of these ingredients creates a harmonious blend of flavors. The almond milk adds a creamy texture while the water helps to achieve the perfect consistency. You can adjust the amount of liquid based on your preference. The result is a creamy and flavorful puree that's packed with nutrients. It's a versatile addition to your diet, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even as a dessert topping. This puree is not only a great source of potassium, which is essential for muscle function and heart health, fiber, which aids in digestion, and antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body, but also a delicious way to add natural sweetness and flavor to your breakfast or snacks. You can mix it into yogurt, oatmeal, or even spread it on toast. Remember, while these natural remedies can be beneficial, it's important to ensure they fit into your overall dietary needs. It's always best to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and nutritional requirements. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of natural foods. The more you experiment with wholesome ingredients, the more you'll discover delicious and nutritious ways to enhance your meals.